Acha, one more question you might have is, what is a good video? What is the characteristics of a great YouTube video? Let's talk about that right now. Number one is the video script. Whenever you create a video, you need to have the first minute of the video written down on a piece of paper. I have written it down on this page कि मुझे क्या बोलना है इस वीडियो के अंदर, as you can see here, right? And I am just saying that. It's very important that you create a strong hook that keeps people watching the video for longer. The best example is this YouTuber called as Kelly Wakasa, in which this video that you can see, he is proposing to his crush who is his roommate. Now this guy makes a 12-minute long video, and at the end of the video is when he pops the question, will you be my girlfriend? And throughout the video he was keeping people hooked. People would want to know कि भाई ये बंदा कब propose करेगा, right? And that is why this video has 7 million views. Why? Because of the high average view duration. And he proposes to the girl at the end of the video, at the last 30 seconds. And that creates a hype and curiosity for people कि भाई ये बंदा कब propose करेगा, right? And they're just watching the video for longer. Just a quick example that will tell you how important is creating a great structure for your video, right? So always structurize your video. Always make sure that you keep people watching for longer and giving advice and giving the most value if they watch the video till the very end. Another important thing is the thumbnail of your video. The most important thing is the thumbnail of the video, right? Even before you record the video, you need to figure out the title and the thumbnail of it, and then go and record that video. If you don't have these things sorted, and if you're not confident about these two things, do not record the video. First of all, how do you make a great thumbnail? Number one, it needs to have less text. It needs to have more emotion, more contrast, more colors. It needs to be more vibrant, and it needs to have a strong message that creates curiosity, that touches emotion of someone who's looking at it, right? And it needs to be accompanied with a very creative and clever title. Again, as I said, Ad Week Handbook, amazing book to learn about copywriting and how to write amazing titles that gets clicks on YouTube. Go read that book and start creating these titles. What titles work on YouTube? So you can make listicles. 7 ways to do this. 7 things I did to change my life. Whatever it is, you need to create listicles or you need to write experience-based titles. I tried using iPhone for 24 hours. It's a challenge and it creates curiosity. कि भाई what was the end result? What was the conclusion? क्या उसे iPhone अच्छा लगा, अच्छा नहीं लगा, Android वापस जाएगा, right? So you're creating that curiosity. I tried iPhone for 24 hours. That's a great title for a video. Another one is how-tos, right? How to do this, how to get this done, how to achieve something. Now, how-to videos are more evergreen, right? It will help you with YouTube search. Let's understand how does a video get traffic on YouTube. Either it is through browse features or it is through YouTube search. This is mainly how it works. Third one is also suggested videos, but let's talk about that later. First is browse features. If your video is a vlog, if your video has a challenge, I tried iPhone for 24 hours, it will get suggested in browse features. There you're focusing on the emotion that that video is conveying. Whereas when you want the video to work evergreen, if you want the video to get a lot of views every single day and rack up a lot of views, you need to focus on improving the SEO of the video, search engine optimization. You need to use a title which people would normally search. How to clean my garden, for example, or it could be how to transfer WhatsApp messages from iPhone to Android. It's a great long tail keyword and you can make videos on this and it will get views for the long term because it's a problem that everyone will face. हर कोई will be transferring from Android to iPhone and they would want to know कि कैसे करते हैं and they would just search for it on YouTube and your video will pop right in the front. Another thing to understand is to focus on the keywords that you have and have it multiple times in the description, in the tags, in the video itself, right? मैंने starting में बोला ना कि if you want to start a YouTube channel in 2024, do this. YouTube can hear and YouTube can auto subtitle every word that you are speaking and then it can use it for the SEO of your video. Did you know this? Did not, right? So that is essentially how this works. You need to focus on creating a video in which you are speaking that keyword. The keyword is in the title, in the description, and in the tags, and that is how that video becomes optimized for search. Another important thing is the length of the video, right? YouTube will rank your video on search based on the CTR, the AVD, the keywords that you have in the description and tags and titles and the video itself, and then it will make one score of that video, and then it will compare the score with other videos, and then it will rank the video accordingly. Also, YouTube loves to suggest newer content. अगर कोई नई वीडियो है on a similar topic, the chances of it being higher in YouTube search increases exponentially.